Mr. Sugama, so a family-oriented model has been added to the Alphard PHEV lineup, hasn't it?
Yes, as one of Toyota's multi-pathway options toward carbon neutrality, we added plug-in hybrid models to the Alphard and Velfire last year. And now, we want even more people, especially families, to experience the benefits of a plug-in hybrid. So we've added the PHEV Z grade, which features carefully selected equipment.
But you know, this Z-grade area really does look just like the executive lounge, doesn't it?
That's right. With the PHEV exclusive 19-inch silver sputtering aluminum wheels as standard, there's almost no difference in the exterior.
I see. And one of the best things about a PHEV is definitely that overwhelming quietness, right?
Yes, it can travel about 70 kilometers on battery alone, allowing for quiet driving, even in peaceful residential areas. Even when waiting inside the car during pickups, you can use the air conditioning for a long time without starting the engine.
Plus, the vast interior space the Alphard is known for remains the same. It's great to be able to relax in such a spacious cabin.
Furthermore, with the power supply function, you can use electricity without the engine for camping and other activities, or even when staying overnight in the car during emergencies.
For example, at a campsite, you could use appliances even without a power site, making for a slightly more luxurious camping experience.
Ms. Fujishima, regarding the ride quality, it's actually equivalent to the executive lounge.
Oh, it's the same? When I test drove the Alphard PHEV at the Toyota test course before, I was incredibly surprised. First, the start-off. The quietness unique to a motor start gave it a real sense of luxury. Hybrids can also start with the motor, of course, but my impression was that this was even quieter.
In the PHEV, the use of a large capacity battery has significantly increased the amount of EV driving. On the other hand, when the engine sound disappears, road and wind noise become more noticeable, so we've added sound-absorbing and insulating materials to ensure a quieter cabin.
Even when driving on rough surfaces, it handles road input well and doesn't transmit shocks to passengers. The comfort was even better than the hybrid.
By placing the PHEV battery securely under the floor of the vehicle, we achieved a lower center of gravity and a noticeably flatter, more stable vehicle behavior. We took advantage of this improvement by carefully tuning the shock absorbers, which allowed us to provide an even smoother and more comfortable ride for everyone inside.
Large minivans tend to have a high center of gravity, so the suspension is often stiffened to reduce swaying, but I felt that this is another area where the PHEV really shows its advantages. Plus, there was no sudden jolting, and the whole sequence of movements was very smooth.
Thanks to the low center of gravity platform, body roll and side-to-side swaying are reduced, achieving a relaxed and stable ride.
Not just for the driver, but for the passengers too. It's a very relaxed and truly comfortable experience. What's more, even when accelerating in EV mode, it ran on the motor up to about 100 kilometers per hour, and it felt fast, flat, and stable. You don't really feel the speed, there's very little swaying, and it's just so comfortable.
In terms of speed range, EV driving is possible on highways at up to about 120 kilometers per hour. For example, the quiet and smooth acceleration when merging onto a highway feels great, and I think that's one of the best things about the PHEV.
Even if you step on the gas and the engine kicks in, it goes right back to EV mode as soon as you let off, making the drive feel very effortless.
Compared to the hybrid, the increased motor assist allows for a powerful drive without having to worry about engine noise or vibration.
Also, the brakes really surprised me. I had Mr. Sugama step on the brakes quite firmly, but our upper bodies hardly swayed at all.
Yes, that's the smooth stop feature we've adopted specifically for the PHEV.
Experienced drivers often ease off the brake just as they're about to stop, and the car does that automatically, right? It definitely reduces stress for the driver as well as the passengers. Looking at the interior like this is just as good as the executive lounge.
That's right. With the PHEV Z grade, you can choose between black and beige for the interior.
The steering wheel is made of real wood, isn't it?
Yes.
And the moonroof lining is ultra suede, just like in the executive lounge. And then there's this. It even comes properly equipped with power sunshades.
While it's geared towards families, it's equipped to provide that signature Alphard sense of high quality.
The exterior also features exclusive 19-inch aluminum wheels, which gives it more than enough of a luxury feel. Mr. Sugama, as you know, the PHEV Executive Lounge was priced at well over 10 million yen. So I'm curious, could you please tell us how much this newly added PHEV Z-Grade actually costs?
Well, the price starts from the 7.6 million yen range. Since this grade was developed for families, we've set a more affordable price. Of course, subsidies are also available.
I think there are many families who have been waiting for this. It also supports fast charging, and being able to charge while taking a break on the go is a great feature, isn't it?
I'd love for families across Japan to experience the unique joy that only the Alphard PHEV can provide.
As someone who loves driving, the fact that it's fun to be behind the wheel is another plus. I believe it's a car where every family member can be the star. Thank you very much again today.
Thank you very much.